is holding, oh, I guess it's on 3%. And then Office 365, that's up 17%. Now, going into this, there were a lot of concerns, Scott, about whether or not Azure would be able to keep up its growth rate. It's fallen a little bit, but it's flat quarter over quarter. Again, still growing nicely, but that growth is slowing as they are kind of hitting the end of how many customers they can gather. And it's the same story with Office 365. We know they raised prices in March and are planning to raise customers or prices on some customers again this summer, Scott. And we're still digging through it, so I'll be back with more soon.
I know you are, and I'll look forward to you coming back to us. This stock has been kind of in the danger zone, right? 275 was a good level of support. 270 was sort of that line in the sand. You see that trade right there, 264. I mean, if these stocks start to break down, it doesn't matter how great this report seems to be. If the market doesn't deem it to be good enough, there's the problem.
No doubt. Look, that's been a Rock of Gibraltar stock. You look at Microsoft, you look at Apple. I mean, those have been two of the core names. And even though Azure hit the whisper number in terms of 46%, Streets really. But Scott, the one thing is, look, we went back a quarter ago. The knee-jerk reaction when stock was down, everyone was yelling fire in a crowded theater. On the conference call, they gave positive guidance that ultimately lifted the tech market up. So that's why it's so key to what happens on that call with Nadella.
Yep. Actually, we're going to go to Phil LeBeau right now because General Motors numbers are out too. Speaking of a stock that's been under pressure lately.